Good morning, good morning, good morning. MW will killer gain trading crypto. Welcome, welcome, retail fam. I really love this. I'm checking there like, what is it, 30 people over here. I love this. You know, when I go into my YouTube, it shows me these are the best time to stream. YouTube, I don't give a damn about when the best time is to stream. I stream when I want to stream. So, no, but you got the most viewers at that time. I don't give a crap. I don't give a crap when the most viewers. If they want to watch. And you know, when I see a small group, I like it even better. I don't know why. When I've got a small group, it's better. I feel better interaction. I don't need a lot of viewers. And I know I'm an early, you know, there was one guy, he told me, listen, MW, do you actually sleep? Because I see you tweeting like in the morning, in the night, in the evening. Yes. Just for you guys to know, I don't sleep a lot. I sleep like 3-4 hours max a day. So, and I'm an early bird. I like day. I like in the evenings and nights. I don't like that. I like to have my rest then. But, you know, in the early morning, I really love it. And, you know, it's like 10 o'clock over here in the morning, but I could stream at 6 o'clock in the morning. That's just me. I think that the Americans would like that. The followers from the USA would like that if I would stream at 6 o'clock in the morning. So that's about 4 hours earlier. Okay, well, thanks all for joining in. What do I got over here? Let me see what I got. Mario, Top Dog, Mama, good morning. Melvin, Carlo, Muhammad Ali, Roy, Egan, Lars, Elena. What do we got? Raul, we've got Top Dog as always. Elena, Alcopops, Richard, Robin, lekker wakker met die deuntje. We're always awake, Robin. Let's see, Alice Koenen, Tavas. What do we got over here? What do we got? Masoud, Danny Dix, Draft Brick, Masoud. What do we got? What do I got? So, Dog, bonjour, Dog. Alice Koenen, good morning. By the way, guys, you know, when markets go down, when it's bleeding, although I've been telling people that it's going to bleed before it happened, but you know, you always have got those retailers that hold a lot of bags and bought in the top and didn't sell and are in huge losses, bleeding like crazy, and then they see the retail fam having a nice time, enjoying their time, etc. Oh, this peep is so annoying. Having a nice time, and then they get salty, they get nasty, and it's normal. It's a normal reaction. I don't even get angry at those guys. So, you know, the only thing I do, I block them. I just block them. There was one yesterday, yeah, this and that. I just block them. It's just bad energy, and it's a waste of my time. I just push on one click, and they're gone. That's just what I do. I don't go into any discussion with these guys or whatever. If you're here to watch my stream, I do it like I want, how I want, when I want. I'm on nobody's payroll, and you also are not on my payroll. So you can do as ever you like, and I do as I like. If you like it, like. If you don't like it, just go, oh yeah, but you got the best alpha on the internet, but could you just make it a bit shorter because you're talking about a lot of things? Could you make it why? So you would be happy? No, I'm not gonna do that. I do it like I want. If you want to watch it, watch it. You don't want to watch it, just go away. Go away. That's all. I respect you. You have to respect me. That's how it works. And if you don't respect me, or you coming in to make any demands from me, Mr. Nice Guy MW will turn into not Mr. Nice Guy. Let's just say it like that. Never, ever, ever demand something from me. I'm not on your payroll. You're not paying me anything. So I do as I like, when I want, how I want. And I respect you to be free and do as you like. And there was another one today also. It was very funny. He was, maybe he's here also. He was in my DM. Yes, I want to join the free private group, but you know, the requirements are that I need to have a funded account and I also need some trading volume. Well, I'm not going to trade. You know why? Because I don't want to lose money. If you don't want to lose money, don't trade at all, my friend. Don't trade at all, my friend. What do you think? Do you think it's Santa Claus over here? No, I'll do it. I'm just gonna fund it. And yeah, well, just put me in that private group of yours. And then I just follow what you do. And then when I make money, that's when I start trading. That's not gonna happen, my friend. And you don't demand me how I do my thing. I know exactly what I do. So, another block. Block, 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 block. Okay, guys, listen. We're gonna talk about altcoins, and I'm gonna take you through a journey with altcoins. And you know, the most important part about what I'm gonna explain you guys today is I'm gonna go through some things, how I hope that I will get into your minds, so you're gonna make the most profits when we go up again. I'm gonna teach you a style that's really, it's really a great style, guys. I'm going to show you guys a style. You don't have to follow me. You don't have to do what I do, but let me just tell you, this is my style. And I've been making the most gains with this style that I'm going to explain to you guys today. How to make the best gains on altcoins. So I'm going to show you the top 10 altcoins that I'm eyeing. And I'm going to also tell you why I chose those altcoins. Kabish? I'm not seeing any thumbs up. I think that I'm speaking to myself today. Maybe that's the thing. Let's see. I need some thumbs up. I need some thumbs up. No thumbs up. Okay. No thumbs up. No stream. We're gonna stop. A lot of funding rates gone negative. Alpiman. A lot of rates gone negative. Okay. A lot of funding rates went negative. That's a bullish sign, Alpiman. That's a bullish sign. Okay, now I'm seeing those thumbs up. Okay, let's go. First of all, guys, we had this drop yesterday, but you all know that already. Look at this indicator on the 1 hour. You know, when the 200 EMA comes together with the indicator, that's really free money basically. If you just go into that trade, when they come together, it's really mind-blowing. Boom, boom, down. Let me go through it. I don't want to talk too much about markets, etc. It's weekend. I'm not gonna talk about markets at all. Why would I talk about markets today? Let's just. But this was really huge, guys. 200 EMA together with the indicator. This was really big money. And I know some guys that trade on pretty high volume Bitcoin. You could make an easy 50K over here. Easy 50K. Easy 50K. A really easy one. Maybe even 100K. This was really an easy one. And we reached this line, boom, and then up, you know, these alarms get off, and then the pushing again, it's weekend. So let's see. It's pretty, this box over here, by the way, guys. This is that liquidity, because last time we just went through it, but this was really a spike. So this was really just scammy sky, a spike, just a liquidation level. But now this box is holding. Do you see? This box has been holding now. But I think we come lower. It's normal. You buy the blood. This was the blood. You buy the blood. And then you start longing the bounces. And then you do the same thing down again. That's just how it works. It's very simple. Very simple, although very simple. Look at this guy. So, I told you. I just freaking told you. Remember? I told you. Look at this one. Madame Lagarde, what did she tell us? She told us that she was going to cut rates over here. I told you. I'm telling you the opposite what whole CT is telling you. And I get it right every time, all the times. NVIDIA. Remember? I told you. It doesn't matter what comes out of these earnings. It just doesn't matter what comes out of these earnings. Whatever comes out of it, we're going down. I told you. I told you again and again and again, like I keep telling you every freaking time. I told you it doesn't matter what comes out of these earnings, because the move, the bullish news of the earnings, it happened over here when they are bouncing up. And when the news comes out, it doesn't matter. If it's bearish, it comes down. If it's bullish, it comes down. It just doesn't matter. And what are you seeing? And if you see this here, then you see over here. And when you see this over here, then you see over here. It's that simple. Just watch my previous vids. If you think this guy is just talking crap, go watch my previous vids of, well, just since I came back from traveling. Everything that you're seeing on the charts, the Oracle told you. You could have made a lot of money. Okay, anyway, let me get back. Guys, over here we're testing the 1 hour, by the way. Over here, this bounce, so we're testing the 1 hour. So if you are in any longs, keep an eye on this level over here, by the way, guys. And then we got the 4 hour also. Keep an eye on this line over here. So if you get a bounce max to this 56, be very careful. Start taking profits from your longs if you're on any longs. I'm just saying. So yes, so keep that in mind. Okay, let me go to the altcoins. Enough about this. Altcoin number 1. Ta-da! Altcoin number 1. Near. This is altcoin number 1. I'm very, very bullish on Near. And now I'm gonna take you through some alpha. I know that you guys are over here for the alpha. So I'm going to talk about some alpha today. I'm going to explain you guys how to be a gain trader, how to be a gain investor. Yes, nobody on CT will tell you this. Not like I do. That's why I'm the best. It's very simple. I'm just the best. I know that I'm the best. I've been known for years that I'm the best. You guys just don't know it, but I know it. So let me first of all start with this. I'm no financial advisor. I am not paid to talk about these coins. I don't know any of the teams of these coins. I don't own any of these coins that I'm going to talk about. They are not locked. They are not scheduled. I'm not getting paid. YouTube is not paying me for this. You cannot get anyone more objective talking about crypto than me. You just can't. Because why? Before I was going to make this vid, I went in and checked some of the YouTube content creators about their altcoins that they were talking about in their top 10, top 20 in September. I just thought, let me check what they are. And you know, when I went into those lists and I did my research on them, most of those altcoins are all altcoins that have owners that are trying to sell their bags. So what does that tell me? When I see that a crypto expert, you're not seeing my fingers, I'm putting on 2 fingers on the left and 2 fingers on the right. Experts, crypto experts with like 500k followers, they were sharing their top 20 coins. And when I did research on those coins, what I found out is that there are a lot of bag holders. And I'm not talking about retailers here. I'm not talking about retailers here. So what does that tell me? It tells me that those guys are paid. You know, it's that simple. Because if you would be really objective, you would never, ever, ever tell people to buy that crap that has got so many sellers waiting, locked coins, VCs holding, market makers holding a lot of bags to dump them. And then you're putting them in a top 20, top 10 list, so your followers will buy it and get dumped on? You know, anyone that's not watching these live streams of mine is just stupid. He's just stupid. Because I'm showing you what's going on behind the scenes. I'm showing you what's going on behind those curtains. I'm showing you how to prevent yourself from getting wrecked. I'm showing you. Oh my God. Oh my God. HNT, free private group members, if you're in here. The shorts are exploding exactly. That was a masterpiece, free private group members. Did you see what I shared you guys in the morning? I told you. It's getting on my nerves at HNT. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna show you before I'm going in, guys. I'm gonna give you guys some insight about what's going on in the free private, and I'm gonna show you how to recognize the best trader on the webs. Listen, you've got this HNT. You've got this HNT was exploding. And while everything was going down, HNT was just ramping up. It was a bit annoying. It was just ramping up. So some of my free private group members, they told me, MW, this was yesterday, by the way, guys. They told me, MW, HNT is pumping. I told them just stay away, stay out of it. Stay out of it. Go to the weak ones. Stay out of it. And then they saved themselves from losses because HNT ramped up instead of going down. So I told them, just stay away from it. So from all the trades that I shared over there, they were getting in huge gains. And I told them, HNT, get out. Because if they would stay in the HNT short, they would have lost money yesterday. Maybe get even wrecked. So I saved them from that one. And then in the evening, I was waiting and I thought to myself, this HNT is getting on my nerves. It's time for me to start focusing. So I started focusing. This is what I shared. What was it? Let me put it on the lower time frame. This is what I shared. And you have to see it like this. The price was over here when I shared it. I cannot share this, but the price was over here when I shared it, over here. And then I shared this arrow over here, this level over here. And this is what happened after. And there was one guy from the free private, he shorted exactly this level at 8.6 and he made a lot of money because this is what happened when it hit, boom. So he made a lot of money and then he took his profits, was nice profits over here. And then he DM'd me, he told me, MW, I just closed my short. Well, that's very good, no greed, you made profits, etc. But I told him, wait a minute. I told them HNT could go much lower. Why? If it loses this wedge, that's when you could get an entry again. And look, it comes also perfectly with the indicator. Look at the indicator. So it came back, bounced up. Look at the indicator. Guys, if you don't own this indicator, I don't know what to say. But look at this. Look. Exactly. Boom. Rejected. And over here, the indicator came together with this line. So there's extra strength over there. And then it came down, chop, chop. And then again, indicator. Look at this, guys. Look, indicator. Again, indicator. And then boom, down. Do you think that I'm joking when I'm saying this is the best freaking indicator in the world? I really don't get it. And it's free. So if you want this indicator, you're watching this vid, DM me on X. There is below, there is my X. DM me on X. Trade on Blofin or on Weex. Active trade funded, you'll get it for free. Or there is another thing, you can DM me if you want to donate either to a Helpless Children charity or you want to donate to the GTC marketing team. You can DM me also on X and I will give you the indicator. But by owning only the indicator is not enough. You need to be educated also. Okay, so HNT, congrats for the ones that took this trade, by the way. Let me go back, because we're talking about too many crap today. Crap. You know that guy on Twitter? Crap. We're talking about crap. Yes, we're talking about crap. But we are the winning craps. We are the only ones standing on CT. We're the only ones making gains. We're the only ones having a big bag of USDT. We're the only ones that can buy this blood up if we want. Well, you are 70, 60, 80, 90% down. Yes. And this is no hate and we're not laughing at you, but you should do it differently. Instead of following Mr. Whoever, start following someone that cares about you and cares about your money and cares about your bag. Instead of doing paid shills, instead of getting you wrecked, just like I was checking in the morning. So, first of all, to go through my story, when I want to buy the blood, when I want to buy coins, I need to buy those that don't have a lot of sellers out there. That's number one. That's number one. Because why? It's not about Near. It's not about Cosmos. It's not about Atom. It's not about Polkadot. It's not about whoever. It's about money. Everything is ruled by money. I only focus on money. I don't care about any altcoin out there. Nothing. I only care about making gains, making money. And when you've got that mindset, you have to do your research. You have to find those altcoins that don't own a lot of sellers out there. Because it doesn't matter how great. Let me just tell you this. What is the best and biggest company in the world at this moment? Well, it's NVIDIA. NVIDIA is the biggest, best company in the world. Okay. We agreed on that one. Okay. It dumped 5% in 2, 3, 4 days. What do you think will happen to an altcoin? Because it's not only about the fundamentals. It's about money. So when it's about money and you want to make money the safe way, you need to find those coins that are at bottom formations. That's number one. And number two, that don't own a lot of sellers. So if I would be over here near, but there are those sellers will be created over here. Or maybe over here. So we want to join them. We want to do the same. We want to buy over here so we can sell over here with them together. Because you have to see it like this. Market makers, VCs, they are much better traders, much better fundamental, whatever. These guys rule the markets and they've got the power to do so. So we buy over here and we sell over here together with them. But if we would buy over here, let's just say we buy over here, or maybe we buy over here. And I know that there are buyers that bought in over here and bought in over here. If I know that they're out there, or maybe even lower, that you cannot even see on these charts. I know that these guys could sell their bags over here, or maybe over here, or maybe over here. So if I would be buying over here or buying over here, how am I going to make money then? How am I going to make money? How am I going to make money if Near is the best of the world, but there are sellers that bought in over here? So it doesn't matter how great this Near is, because why? They will sell at me when I buy in. Suppose that you would buy in over here. I'm not talking, Near is not one of those coins, by the way. I'm just giving you an example. So we need coins that don't have the ones that bought in over here. The ones that bought in over here, they need to be sold their bags already. That's what we need. And then when they sold their bags, there are no sellers and it comes back. That's when we'll scoop up, because they will buy together with us over here and they will wait and they will start, what they do is they will start, these guys, I'm talking about VCs, wills, that buy with us over here. What they do is they will do the work for us. They will start paying all those shillers on YouTube and on CT, and then you'll start seeing Near, you need to buy Near is going to the moon, Near is this, Near is that. But we are with them. So when that shilling machine starts, that's when you see M Will Killer starting to tell you, guys, sell those bags, dump them. That's how it works. That's the game in crypto. That's how crypto works. Don't believe what paid shillers tell you. They tell you the exact opposite from what you should do. Why? Because they need you as their exit liquidity. And I'm about the only one in this crypto space that's trying to wake you guys up and to make you winners instead of losers. I already did it for years now, for the ones that want to listen, the ones that don't own the greed. But most, they don't listen. Why? Because MW, I'm wrecked now and I'm watching your vids and, you are right. Not only this cycle, the previous cycle, you're always right. But you know what the thing is? The greed took over me and I lost all my money again. So what am I going to do now? I can't help you. You should listen to me when I told you to sell. I can't help you now if you don't have any money. What you can do is you build up your portfolio, your money again, and you in the meantime, while you're building up your money again to do it right this time, you have to, in the meantime, educate. Watch my live stream, watch my tweets, whatever. You don't have to be in the free private group to be a winner. If you watch my live streams every day, my vids, you'll get so much alpha and education you can't even imagine. So the active free private group is only to those that own the money and that didn't get wrecked and that are active trading on daily basis. Those are the ones that are in the free private group. And you know, when you see those green P&Ls, that's greed. Because if you don't own the money and you're seeing green P&Ls and you think to yourself, well, I want that too, that's not how it works. You need to educate yourself first. And you need the money to make that money. Because if you don't own the money, you're probably going to get wrecked and liquidated. It's just how it works. So I'm not selling dreams here. I'm selling reality. I'm waking you up. Wake up. So this is part number one. So this is part number one that I just explained now. And I hope that everyone really understood what I just explained to you guys. And if you understood, thumbs up please while I'm hitting my cigarette again. Because when my cigarette goes on, my brain starts working even better. so just show me. Thumbs up please. Okay, guys, you can hear me again. Cigarettes ain't good. I know, bro. But it makes my brains work better. So, you want me at my top, bro, if you want to make money. You need me at my top. And if I die, I die. It's just what it is. Now, I hope to stop very soon. By the way, guys, if you see any cockroach in the live chat, ignore. I will block them. Just ignore them. Because, you know, there are a lot of cockroaches. And I explained at the beginning of the stream, they want me, what they want me, you know, let me tell you what these cockroaches want. I'm gonna explain you exactly what cockroaches want. Cockroaches, what they want is me opening a chart and telling them you need to buy here, you need to sell there. That's what cockroaches want. And don't waste our time because we have no time. What time? What time do you have? What time? What time are you talking about? So these cockroaches, block, 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 click, click, click. It's just a click. So these cockroaches, it's just like when you see one on the ground, you put your foot on it and you just cockroach, gone. So don't react to these cockroaches, please. In the live chat, retail fam, don't react. Don't give them any attention. These cockroaches, just ignore them, and I will block them when I see them. I will block them. Maybe I need to make someone a moderator in my live chats that he can block them while I'm doing my thing. It's just click, 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 click. I don't care. I don't care if any cockroach just Okay, guys, so this was part number 1, explaining you guys how to read this. So let me go to part number 2, because there is a part number 2. So let me remove all this crap that I did over here. So number 2 is these shilling machines, when the buttons go on, and you'll see shilling, shilling, shilling. That's trading wise. When I see on the charts, even though that a coin has got a lot of sellers, what they do is they suppose that they bought in over here and they want to sell over here. To sell over here, they need to create liquidity. So what they do is they start hiring up the volume, shilling machine goes off, everything goes off, shill, shill, shill. So what they do is, when that happens, I see that. I'm a trader, that's what I do. So I see that when they're going to rump up a coin just to dump it on you over here, I see that. This road, I know this road. So when that happens, that's the trading portfolio. That's when you'll see me sharing, okay, along this one. So we go with them. And I will always also tell you when to take profits. So don't be afraid that they will dump on you before. But when I see that happening, although that an altcoin is not looking good and has a lot of sellers, that's when we will go with them. We just go with them. That's just short-term trading. That's trading. You go in, boom, you make that 300, 400, 500% P&L, and you just get out. You make money, gain trading, I don't care. Okay, this coin has got very bad economics, but the market makers, they decided they want to pump this because they want to sell it over here. Well, let's just go with them. And when we reach over here, we also go with them over here. We will not let them go down alone. We have to go with them. You have to just think like those guys. You have to think like them. You know, I made a tweet in the morning. I think that a lot of you guys didn't understand. If you can't beat them, join them. If you can't beat them, join them. And by join them, I don't mean that you have to join the shillers. You have to do exactly the opposite of what they do. But you have to join them. But you have to join them. You have to be really smart and to understand markets to go with them. And that's what I meant by, if you can't beat them, join them. So if anyone is hating me, you can hate me. I have no problem. You're in every right to hate me. Yeah, I have every right to spread hate, and I've got every right to click. That's my right. My right is to click, and your right is to say whatever you want. So you want to criticize me, whatever. If it's respectful, I'll debate you. If it's not respectful, I'll just put in click. That's just what I do. I just click. click. So we just join what they do. Okay, so that was the educational part today, guys. We'll now go into the altcoins. What is it? So it's Saturday today, so it'll get. I think that you guys, for the ones that are in here with me, these are the most important parts in trading and investing. And if you're learning every day again and again what I'm teaching you over here, you will tell others about it. Tell them, wait a minute, what we learned, we were blind in these markets. We were blind. We're just following whatever out there. Now we're finally getting into the real part, how we can make money and not get destroyed. So, guys, first of all, NEAR. I'm very bullish on NEAR. We had this level, and we almost reached the previous level. Are you seeing it over here? We almost reached the previous level. We didn't. What did we touch? 3.4, guys. So this box over here, this is for me when I'll start deploying NEAR. So we didn't reach it yet, but you know, if you want to DCA, you could have DCA'd yesterday a bit. Start DCA buying, because you know I don't own any of these bags. So if it gets lower, I start DCA buying this. And you know, although I'm starting to buy it over here, I really hope that it gets lower. It's just what it is. Although I'm gonna start this year, but I hope that it gets low because I want to buy a lot more of this coin. This would be a dream scenario for me if Near would make this double over here. Are you seeing this? This is really, oh my God. On the month, by the way, guys, these charts that I'm showing you now are all monthly charts, so it's really on a macro. But you know, we've got this support level over here, so that's around the $3, between 3 and 3.5. So this will be a start DCA buying for me. I don't care. I will just buy. But actually, I don't know if it's possible. But suppose that we'll get a spike down here. Oh my God. Let me just say, I'm gonna buy a very, 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 very big bag of Near. You know, these buy orders, they are set. So everything below the $3, I'll be buying some Near over here and just hodl it for a minimum of a 3, 4, 5x minimum. So that's number one. Let me go to number two. Number two, it's, let me show you guys this one. It's VeChain. VeChain, because if you, the ones that watch my previous streams, I told you I'm bullish based on the Asians. And there are some influencers out there telling you VeChain, don't buy VeChain, VeChain, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, VeChain is not, let me answer these guys. VeChain is not paying you. They are not willing to pay you money to shield them. That's why you don't like VeChain. Because VeChain is about the best project out there, fundamentally. It has been like years like this now. But VeChain is not paying influencers to shill. That's why they don't put VeChain and they don't like VeChain. What they do is we're gonna promote the ones that are paying us and we're gonna diss the ones that are not willing to pay us. That's how evil these guys are. So VeChain, I love this, guys. We are at, you know, this was in 2019, guys. 2019, we hit this level. We're at it again. So, oh my God, look at this, guys. Suppose that this is gonna work out. Oh my God, look at this. 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 Look where we are. How can you not be bullish on VeChain midterm? How can you not be, especially with the Asians, because this is an Asian, it's a Chinese coin. So when China opens up, VeChain will open up. It's that simple. So for me, VeChain is a safe investment, by the way. It's a safe investment. I'm not afraid. VeChain, VeChain, VeChain. So let me show you guys VeChain. This gray box is where I'm waiting. This gray box. This gray box, gray. I hope to get filled over here. I think I'm gonna get filled. But you know, everything below the 20, by the way, everything below the 20, did we hit the previous low? Yes, we did. Yeah, we did hit it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Maybe I already, no, I didn't get hit over here. So everything, guys, below this 20, 18, 16, especially this box over here, guys. If VeChain gets back into this box, I start accumulating a lot of VeChain. It's just what it is. VeChain. I'm starting to accumulate VeChain in this gray box. I don't care what anyone says. I know what I'm doing. I'm gonna buy some VeChain. And VeChain made me a lot of money here. And I'm for sure that VeChain will make me another, at least we're gonna hit these levels over here. At least. So that's, just to give you guys an insight on this, this is around a 5, 6, 7x on a safe investment. That's VeChain. I'm no fundamental expert. Do your own research. I'm just sharing what I buy based on the charts, based on what I see, based on VeChain. Let me go to the next one. Also, I like, by the way, guys, I'm showing you guys really the safe altcoins, good solid projects. I'm not showing you the ones that are explosive or very low cap. So another one. Look at this one, guys. Look at this one. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Look at this one. Look. What is this? What's going on, Mr. Cosmos? Mr. Atom? What is going on over here, Mr. Cosmos? What is going on? Just tell me what's going on, Mr. Cosmos. Can you please tell me what's going on over here, Mr. Cosmos? Because this is massive. Listen, this was the low in 22. Look where we are. We're going below it. So this is super, super bearish. And I know that I said this also in my stream, and there was some guys that shorted Atom based on that and made a lot of money. Congrats to you guys, by the way. But guys, when you see this, let me put it even under 3 months. When you see this, this is where you have to be. This is where you have to wake up. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let me check. One moment. Let me check Atom on the. Let me check Atom. Let me check Atom. Atom isn't going anywhere, guys. Oh my God. 1.4 billion. This is huge. This is huge. Look. Can I do something? Is there something like, yeah, we can make something like this. Can we make something like this? Yes, we can make something like this. So, boom, boom, come here. Atom, my big friend. Atom, what are you doing, Atom? Oh my God. Okay, guys, I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing. Atom. When it reaches this box, Atom. That's all I have to say. So I'm bullish on Atom. Let me show you guys the USDT pair. 1.6. Well, it's 1.4 now. 200 million is gone. Guys, Atom, if these alarms go off, together with these alarms, I'm interested in Atom. I'll buy myself a nice bag of Atom. So if this thing comes down to the everything around the $3 to 2.5. I'll buy Atom, just hodl it. And why will I hodl it? Because I know there are some whales out there that will flip their Bitcoin into Atom at some point. And then if we'll see something like this, only you see only this move to this level, these are huge gains, guys. These are huge gains. Let me show you, because you guys, I'm showing you really, this is how you make money in crypto as a professional. This is how you make money in crypto as a professional. This was the low, the previous low that we lost. Most of the time, it comes back to just retest it. In the bearish case, and in the bullish case, it breaks up. Look at this, guys. Look at this. You know how much? Are you seeing this? This is 620%. That if we reach over here, so this means that you're gonna, against your Bitcoin, you could make a 6x only by retesting the previous low. Let me show you guys on this level. Let me show you guys this one. Suppose that it would come back to this resistance level over here, Atom. Suppose it comes over here, and we will get hits on our target over here. This is almost a 2x. Almost a 2x. And if that 6x will happen against Bitcoin, well, then you'll see Atom reaching these levels over here. And over here, this box over here. And this box over here would be, what is this? Yeah, this is the same, around the 6x. You see it? That's how you read it. So Atom, the next one, what shall I do? What shall I do? Yes, let's go to Mr. Flux. Mr. Flux, let me remove all this. Flux. Guys, Flux, my number one altcoin. Terry shorted the crap out. My number one altcoin, but we shorted the crap out of it. I'm sorry. Well, Mr. Flux, although I believe in you and you're doing great, but you know, it's not only about the fundamentals, Mr. Flux. It's also about money. And you know that better than I do. So I think that if you would have been following me on Twitter and seeing that I gave the call to short Flux, I think that you had in your mind, this guy is mind blowing. This guy, his number one altcoin in the whole crypto space is Flux, but he's telling his community to short it. Well, how sick can someone like that be? It's really my... Well, Flux. Anyway, Flux, guys. Flux Flux against Bitcoin. It's just to show you guys what it is, guys. Against Bitcoin, look, we are at super low levels, so making new lows. So this is also very bullish, super bullish, by the way. So we're making new lows. So this thing, when they start flipping their Bitcoin, that's when Flux will fly. So Flux, Flux, there's so much going on. Let me put it on the weekly, guys. Oh, we're getting into the bottom. We're going into the bottom of this wedge. Okay, so Flux, guys, it's very simple. You can start buying around 48, 49, 50. And my ultimate buy target is 43 cents. Everything below in this gray box. Flux. I'll just buy black Flux. By the way, guys, I'll be owning a very big bag of Flux. Just saying. Just saying. Let me go to the next one. Boop, 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 boop. By the way, if you're watching this video or this live stream, or you're here, or maybe you're gonna watch it later, just keep in mind that you're now watching someone that's showing you altcoins because he's not paid to share them and he's not owning any bags. He's just showing you financially independent opportunities based on pure objective facts. So I just chose these ones based on their tokenomics, their fundamentals, and the charts. That's how I chose them. So it's maybe the best video you're gonna watch based on altcoins if you want to see how professionals thinking. Voo, 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 voo. Look at it, guys. This is the same story like Atom. Look where Voo is. Voo is getting destroyed over here. When Voo, guys, Voo is, put it on your radar. I'm just telling you. Voo is going nowhere. This is an exchange, or I don't know what it exactly does, whatever. But I know that Voo will come back again. It's just what it is. I just know it. So Voo, we already came back into the box. So we're already in DCA buy zones. So Voo, everything in this box, 30 cents, 12 cents, 11 cents, 10 cents. I just buy the crap out of Voo. It's just a safe. There is an influencer out there. He's always shilling this Voo. And I told him one day, because he was shilling it over here, he told them, well, we're going to the moon here. Over here, I told him, wait a minute, bro, this is where you have to be bearish. He blocked me. He blocked me. I told him, well, thank you very much. And I understand why he blocked me, because why? He's getting paid to shill this Voo. And if I go into the comment and I tell him, wait a minute, no, it's a danger zone over here. Well, that's when I'll be, then I'll be stopping the liquidity creation that he is making. And well, maybe his boss, Mr. Voo, will get angry at him. He's telling him, you're not creating enough dump liquidity. We're paying you good money. You need to shill it even more, because we need them to put in that liquidity so we can dump this on them. It's just how it works. It's just how it works in crypto. Yes. Nobody's telling you this on YouTube. I am telling you this. It's just how it works. It's just how it is. It's why if you would go to anyone and you tell him, crypto, how is it doing? Well, yeah. And if he's honest, he will tell you, yeah, well, I'm 80% down. Oh my God. Why? How did that happen? Well, they told me it was going to moon. Okay, so Voo, guys. Voo is also my top 10 coins. Let me go to the next one. Cello. Listen, guys, it's the same story, just like Atom, just all the. Look at this. Looky. You see this? You want to buy this. Anything that looks like this is a buy. Not all the altcoins. It needs to be a solid altcoin, but this is what you want to buy. The charts. This is what you want to buy. You want to buy this. So Cello is making, by the way, Cello's gonna make new lows. I'm almost sure of that. So Cello is gonna make new lows. So Cello is for me a start buying at between 30 cents and the 25 cents. So that's Cello. I'll be buying over here at this box. Guys, I know this vids in about maybe a month or 2 months. Then these vids, you'll play them, replay them again, and then you think to yourself, oh my God, this freak of that MW again. Oh my God, this guy's, who the crap is this MW? Who is he? What is he doing? He's bragging. You know what bragging is? Let me tell you to that cockroach who wants to brag. You can only brag if you have something to win out of it. So meaning when you're selling something, maybe you're selling a paid trading group. Maybe you're selling some indicator. Maybe you're selling you're selling your shillings. You need people to scam them. That's when you brag, because there is a motivation in that bragging. Just like that Dr. Loss. That Dr. Loss, that is when it's the biggest bragger that I've seen all my life, by the way. But this guy, when he brags, he needs people to believe that crap, so they will pay him like $1,000 or $2,000 a year, so they can get into his wrecked private group, so he can show you some altcoins, and you're gonna get wrecked even more. So you're paying money to get wrecked. That's a reason to brag. What is the motivation for me to brag? I'm not getting paid by YouTube. I'm not getting paid by shillings. I'm not getting paid by projects. I have no paid group. I'm not selling my... What is it that I need? What is my motivation to brag? And by the way, if I'm bragging, I've got all the proof on my Twitter, on my YouTube. I never remove a tweet like all those others. They remove the bad signals or the bad things, and they shine the other ones. I never remove the post. I never, ever, ever did. Only if some live, but something TA related, I never removed it. So what is my motivation to brag? About what? For what should I brag? If I would brag and I've got a motivation, I'm gonna sell something. Like suppose I'm gonna tell you guys, well, this is the MW indicator and I'm bragging about that, it's so great, so you're gonna pay me like $1,000 and I will give it to you. That's when you got a motivation to brag. Why would I brag? For what? For being right every time again and again? So JLo, guys, let me go to the next one. Yes, this is going to be one that you will not expect, but this is also in my top 10 list. And I want you guys to do some research on this one. Go research it, please. So research this Altcoin. So if you're interested in this Altcoin, go do some research. If you've got something for me, you can tell me. Also, same story. Look where we are against Bitcoin. Look where we are. This is the coins that I want to buy. There are much better altcoins out there that could be in my top 10 coins, but I did not choose them. You know why I did not choose them? Because I'm only choosing the ones that are wrecked against Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin dominance starts dropping, these coins will perform the best in the markets. And I don't expect you to understand me, but that's no problem. Maybe you're a baker, maybe you can make bread, very nice bread, or maybe you're a cook, or maybe you're a mechanic, you can make cars. This is my thing. This is what I can do. if you wanna believe me, you do. If you don't wanna believe me, that's also fine. So Ash, guys, Ash. Please, Ash, don't be stubborn. Don't be stubborn, Ash. Just come back into my box over here. 15 cents, 13 cents, 14 cents, 10 cents and lower. I want to buy some of this. I just want to buy. So this is the next one. Let me go. Let me put on a next one. Yes, this one. Also. Origin Protocol. OGN. Also, same story, guys. Very explosive. I'm gonna buy myself some of this one. Look, against Bitcoin. Are you seeing it? Okay, let me show you guys this one. This is making lows, by the way, guys. This is making lows. So I think this one will also make its new all-time low. So let me just say I'll start buying in around... let me see, this was the low. Let me see, I'm gonna start buying in at the previous low. Yes, I'm gonna buy in over here. I'm gonna start DCA buying over here, guys. So I'm gonna start DCA buying around the 50, 60 cents and everything. If it drops lower, I'll just buy. So this is that one. Let me do the next one. And I think that one of our members will be very happy that I put this coin in this list. But Jasmine, yes, Jasmine. Guys, listen, Jasmine, be very careful because we didn't hit it, but I'm eyeing Jasmine, and we've got these two levels. This is not as wrecked as the other one, so Jasmine is a bit of a risky one in this list. It's a bit of a risky one, but you know, it's because of this Asian thing. But if Jasmine would come back into this box over here against Bitcoin, especially if by any mean or some miracle happens and this thing drops down over here, this will be very bullish. But this is, by the way, guys, a risky one because it's above it. And over here, it's also risky over here. So if you want to buy a small bag, don't be greedy on this one. I want to buy just me around in this box. So everything in this box. So that's about just me. Let me show you guys this one. Medic, we're back. We're just back. Polly is back. You know, all that FOMO, when I was sharing you, sell your medic over here, sell your medic over here. No, you got that cockroach. Well, he's breaking. No, I'm not breaking. Go to my Twitter post and you'll see it. Guys, we're back. We're back. So medic, whatever happens to medic, if medic and Polly, if they're still making good, alpha, fundamentally doing great, medic, we're back, guys. Look at this. We're back. We're back. We survived this dump. We survived it. We didn't get wrecked. Well, the next word. So we didn't get wrecked. So we're back, guys. We're back. Look at over here. We're in the box. We are back. We are so back. Oh my God. I remember buying medic over here, by the way. I remember this, guys. I know that you guys don't remember it, but most of you guys, but I bought medic over here. Oh my God. So medic, yeah, what to say, medic over here. You've got this whole box. So don't be, it's very dangerous to buy medic, by the way, guys. I'm going to be honest with you because there's really nothing over here. Let me put it on the weekly. This is really, you know, this is their last chance, medic. They need to hold this level over here. Let me put in this line. They really need to hold this level over here. It has to hold. If this doesn't hold, medic could dump very hard. Medic could dump really hard because there's nothing over here. So this is a dangerous one. So keep that in mind, guys. Just keep that in mind. Yes, okay. Let me go to my next one, and then we gotta look what you. Yes, this is the last. I saved the best for last. Here it is, guys. Van Ree. I'm really liking this Van Ree. I don't know what it is. Maybe I'm totally wrong, but it's my sixth sense. My sixth sense is telling me that this Van Ree, there's something going on over here. This Van Ree chain, I'm really, there is something with it. I don't know what it is, but this Van Ree coin, I don't own any Van Ree coin, by the way, guys, and I will not be buying over here. So just before you start thinking, oh my God, let me put out my portfolio and start buying some Van Ree or start longing it. No. That's not how it works at the game trading community. We don't do that. We don't front run each other. We don't FOMO each other. We don't make each other wrecked. What we do is we just take it step by step and we protect our capital and we do it the professional way. So listen, it's holding this line over here. This is really super strength, though, super power. This Van Ree is really showing a lot of power. I really love the tokenomics of Van Ree also, by the way, guys. I don't know, this Van Ree chain or Vanna chain or whatever they want to call it. There is something brewing over here. And I like this coin a lot. So let's just say if it comes back to this region over here, I really hope it does. Or maybe even lower. Let me put on my alarms. Because I really love this Van Ree coin. Let me go to the USDT pair. Oh my God, this is looking so juicy. Listen, this one, this is that box. And if Bitcoin decides to dump to our levels, we're probably going back into this box. Guys, this is about the most bullish coins that I can show you at this moment. Why? Because this is a new coin. It is a new coin, and what I'm liking about this coin, let me tell you why I like it so much. I really like this coin. You know why I like it so much? It's because it's a 120 million market cap, guys. And you know what the fully diluted market cap is? It's also 120 million, exactly. Guys, this coin, do your research. Go do some research. Don't buy it now. Don't buy it. Just don't front run us. That's not what we do. But guys, do some research on this. Do some research on this Vanner. Maybe I'm going to be a Van Ree bull, maybe. But I'm liking this Venry coin. What's going on over here? You do your research, I'm gonna do my research. Because this Venry coin, something is going on over here. Something is going on. And this market cap of 120 is super, 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 super bullish. Because why? We had this top. Only this top would be, what is this? What do I got over here? 10x would be, what is this? Let me see. What is this? What is this? This is a 4x, around a 4x. You know, this is a new coin. So meaning when you see a new coin like this and also don't owning a lot of sellers out here, these are the coins that can make go bananas. These are the coins is when you got some FOMO go here. And then when it breaks above the previous all-time high, that's when you'll see really FOMO hit in and it just goes. And it goes very hard also. So this is one of those coins. You know, I know. Maybe I'm looking into the future now. But I'm telling you, these are the coins that can make you the sickest gains. And these are the coins, especially on this low market cap, that could go bananas, by the way, guys. So keep this in mind. Keep this in mind. So we're not buying now. No, we're not buying now. We're gonna wait. And we're gonna buy in this box. And this box is everything. If you wanna, let's say that you're very bullish on Venry, everything around the 80 cents and lower is a buy. I'll be buying a nice bag of Venry. I've said it to you. I've said it. Okay. There are like 2-3 coins I want to talk about, but I'm not gonna talk about them now because I think that I did enough. I'm gonna go into the chat and see what you guys think and what you guys. Let's see, what do we got? What do I got? Block. Yeah, that block. Don't give them any attention. If you want to join, I'm working private. Blofin links in the description. Thank you very much, Mr. YouTube New. Mario over here. Some people don't listen. Let them don't listen. They always come back crying. Mario, nice to see you. Today it's okay. Probably okay. Mario is good. Mario and Top Dog are the two biggest retail fam soldiers. I'm so enlightened. Emrilker, thank you. OP Toke. Please, what is materials bit? Can I check? I get fundamental understanding of crypto. I'm not your fundamental guy. There are a lot of fundamental people out there. Just go do some research. I'm not your fundamental guy. That's not me. I'm really from the charts, and the charts show me the way. Cause I started trading. Okay, Mario. There we got Mario and Top Dog. Let's see what we got. Mario and Top Dog are destroying this chat. Woof. Let's see, got a Woof DeFi. Okay, with the Blue Mario. Top Dog influence. Watching these vids, not like other influencers with all those FOMO stress. You have to be a pro, guys. Those are amateurs. It's just what it is. They're amateurs. And what do you think about the market? Well, that is finally ripped to all-time highs. It depends, Jules. It depends on a lot of other things. I will explain in other vids. When you see me talking, most of my live streams, I talk about Bitcoin in the beginning. So just follow me on that one on daily basis, and I will tell you. Let me see. Thanks for your thought. So you're talking about spot buys, not futures. Same, Michiel. I think it's Michiel. I think you're Dutch. So Michiel, it's both. But when you do it with risk management, you have to know when you do it on leverage. Both. The team does it on leverage. The team doesn't trade or buy spot at all. They do everything on leverage, but they're sick. Let me see. Security, okay. Dark Mario, entertainment, okay. What do we got? Jasmine, top 10. Whoa. Yeah, I know, Riff Pop. I know. But I explained. When it's already listed. Okay, let me see. What do we got? Let me see. What do I've got? We've got. Carlo, Loom, Dow. So these are spot buys, or you're also going to buy futures. I already explained that one. Okay, thanks, guys. I love you all for this Saturday. We're on Saturday in the weekend. We did our thing. We filled. You have to see it like this. Every day, I'm filling you guys with education. Every day again. So those brains of you. Every day again in this when we're in red, I'm every day filling you guys with education. And at some point when markets go up, you all will be ready for it. And you all, when you're scrolling through your X feed or you're watching some YouTube shows, my sound will always be in your heads. You always know, wait a minute, MW already explained us why this guy is saying what he's saying and how he's saying it. So I'm training you guys to be really soldiers in these markets, so you'll not get fooled by anyone. I'm training you guys day by day, again and again and again. And every live stream that I do, I will give you something new, step by step by step by step. And at some point, you guys gonna tell me, MW, it's time for you to retire. We're gonna take over from here. We're gonna take over from here. And when you guys do that, you guys can give me my rest. And that's when I will disappear from Twitter and I will disappear from YouTube and I'm done. So please, guys, every day, again and again, keep educating yourself. Be the hunter, don't be the hunted. Be the winner, don't be the loser. Kill greed, don't put emotions in. Everything in this crypto world, it's all about money. So only focus about money, how to protect it and how to make it. And when you're protecting it, you'll make it eventually. You don't have to do something for it. It's the easiest part to make money. The most difficult part is how to protect that money. And I'm teaching you guys how to do it the best way. I love you all. For the ones that want to join us, want a free private access. If you want the MW indicator, the links are below, Blofin or Weex. I love you all. Show some love, push on the like, leave a comment below. Have a nice one and enjoy your weekend. I don't know if I'm going to do a stream tomorrow. I don't know. I really don't know. I have to decide. So thank you very much, guys. Love you all and bye-bye.